Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily disable extension in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, let's see how we can do that. So friend, first of all I'm going to show you what is extension. So friend, here you will see that these are the extensions, right? And here you will see that this is extension. Let's see how we can disable these things. You simply click on this three dot icon which is available on the top, and then simply click on this extension and then click on this manage extension. So friend, whenever you click over here, then you will see these are the extensions options is available. Now we not want to remove that extension, but we want to disable that extension. So what we will do, simply here you can see this toggle button, you simply click on that, so your extension will disable. So friend, by this way you can easily disable your extension in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to disable and enable your extension in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so now we are going to enable again these extension. Then what we will do, simply click on this three dot icon and then again click on this extension and then click on this manage extension. Now you can see all extensions are available which installed into your system. So you will get this list, and which you want to disable, you simply click on this toggle button, so that will disable like this. And now I want to enable this extension, simply click on this toggle button, so blue toggle button will on, and here you will see this extension is on now. So friends, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily disable and enable your extension in Google Chrome browser. Friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, also comment me below what things you like into this video, so that will motivate to make me more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.